South Africa's law says you are getting raped if someone performs an act of sexual penetration with you without your consent or without your permission. So what is sexual penetration? In South Africa, the law says it's the penetration, however slight, of the vagina, the anus or the mouth by any genitals, any other body part, an object or any organ of another animal. So if someone forces their hand or an object such as a beer bottle or a stick into your vagina or your anus, that would be considered rape. Or if someone forces their penis or their vagina into your mouth, that would be rape too. The law makes it very clear that marriage, a friendship, or any other type of relationship don't automatically imply consensual sex. Both parties need to give a clear indication or explicit permission before a sexual act is committed. Therefore, even if sex occurs between married partners or people who have had sex many times before, if that particular sexual act was not consensual, it would be considered rape. The legal age to have sex in South Africa is 16 years, and the South African law defines an adult as someone who is 18 years or older. So when an adult, someone who is 18 years or older, has sex with a person of 16 years or younger, that would be considered statutory rape, regardless of whether the younger person gave consent or not. The Sexual Offences Act allows for legal sex of people of 16 years or older. So technically it's illegal for a person younger than 16 years to have sex in South Africa. But when it comes to two people of 16 years or younger who have sex, the law gets a little bit more complex. Children between the ages of 12 and 16 may have sex with each other without facing prosecution. But a 12-year-old may not have sex with anyone older than 16. That would be considered statutory rape. However, if both the children were between the ages of 12 and 16 when having sex, they would not be committing a crime. The law also makes provision for someone who is 16 or 17 to have sex with someone between the ages of 12 and 16, provided that the differences in age between the two parties is not more than 2 years. For example, a 17-year-old may have legal sex with someone who is 15 years old, but if they have sex with someone who is 14 years old, that would be considered statutory rape.